Hello my friend and welcome back to Quiz Factory. In today's video, we'll play Find the Odd One Out, Disney Edition. We prepared 40 questions and you have 10 seconds to answer. For each correct answer, you'll get 1 point. If you're ready, please subscribe to our channel. And 3, 2, 1, let's get started. First is the easy level. Can you find the odd mermaid? That's amazing! The odd mermaid's on the second line. Oh, Elsa! Where's the odd emoji located? So good! It's the third row. Next is to challenge your memory. Let's remember their location. Okay, so what number's Elsa in? Very nice, Elsa's in number 4. Well done, guys! So what movie are these emojis? Good job! It's Wish! Can you find the odd Valentino? That's true! The odd one's in the last row. Oh, Olaf from Frozen. Where's the odd one? Oh, so amazing! Here it is! What differences do you spot in these two pictures? Wow, 3 differences here! So pretty! Can you guess the real Anna? That's right, the correct answer is B. Let's continue. Where's the odd Rapunzel? Great job! It's right in the first row. Elsa versus Rapunzel. Which beauty do you think sings better?
Let it go, let it go. I'm so glad I left my tower. Like all you lovely folks, I've got a dream.
Hey guys, which voice is better? Please leave your answer in the comments. Level up the challenge with the medium level. Joy from Inside Out. Can you find the odd one? Amazing! The odd emoji's in line number 3. Where's the odd Alice? Good job! It's located in the second row. Guess the Disney character by emoji. Excellent! That's teacher Joe Gardner from Seoul. Observe and remember the locations of all characters. Can you remember what number Joe Gardner's in? Great job, friend! He's number 5. Let's continue with Alma Madrigal. You're great! It's located in the second row. Can you guess who's missing in this picture? That's right, the answer's B, Isabella. Find the odd Mirabelle. Have you found it yet? It's here. Do you know Louisa? Which picture's the correct one? Amazing! Picture C's the correct answer. Let's continue. Where's the odd Dolores? Well done! The odd one's in the first row. Which Encanto character's supernatural power would you want to have? What are your options? Please share it with us in the comments. Next is the hard level. I trust you can do it. Look for the odd Woody. Can you do that? Wonderful! It's located in the final row. Where's the odd Jessie? You're great! The odd Jessie's in the second line. Can you guess the Disney movie? That's awesome! It's Wreck-It Ralph. Let's remember the positions of all characters. Great! So Vanellope's in what number position? Of course, she's at number 6. You're great. Let's continue. Can you find the odd Carl? Correct! It's here, in the third row. Oh, that's Doug. Where's the odd one? Wow, great! Turns out it's here. Which Disney character's this? You're good. It's Russell from Up. What differences do you spot in these two pictures? Time's up! Let's count the differences you found. There's an odd emoji here. Where is it? Well done! The odd one's in the last line. Toy Story vs. Up. Which Disney movie do you like more? Hey guys, let me know your favorite movie in the comments. The last one's the impossible level. I hope you do well. Can you find the odd prince? That's awesome! The odd prince is here, second row. There's an odd Snow White here. Can you find it? Exactly! It's in the last line. Let's remember the position of all characters. Okay, so what number's Snow White located in? Wonderful! Snow White's at number 4. You're great! Keep going! Can you guess the Disney movie by emoji? Yes, that's A Bug's Life! There's an odd character here. Can you find it? Great, that's Flick in the last row. Guess the Disney movie by its scrambled name. My answer's Inside Out. What about you? Indiana Jones. Can you find the odd one? Huh, look at the third row. It's there. Oh, Zootopia. What differences do you spot in these two pictures? Wow, that's amazing! All you need to find is here. Where's the odd Clawhauser? Have you found it yet? The odd emoji's here. Which Disney character do you like the most? Hey guys, who's your favorite Disney character? Please leave your answer in the comments to let us know. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Quiz Factory channel for more fun challenges like this, and see you in the next video.